Well, we got it together, but just need to get her some more batteries to get her going. So yeah, y'all got it put together. I think I'm gonna go get TJ and bring him over here after I get some batteries. Look at her now, y'all. Got them new batteries in there. I can't wait for TJ to see it. Hopefully he won't destroy it.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share.
I'm trying to look forward to.
What a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver wine. He dazzles us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Oh, I do like this chain.
Which one?
That silver and gold one. The bead on half. Oh, okay. I thought it didn't have
There's joy in the air.
Okay, y'all, this is our struggle meal for the night. Ain't nothing like a good old pork chop sandwich and some stovetop mac and cheese. Now I'm getting ready to take this over to my daughter's house. All right, y'all. Let me get across the street.
The love that we share. Oh, what a bliss, a green red delight with glimmering silver wine.
All right, y'all. So I'm making this candy for my niece. It has several different names: Christmas, white trash, reindeer food, just a bunch of different names. But I just call it Christmas white trash. It has some of your basic ingredients, but I do have a full video on me making this candy. I will definitely put it in the description box if you want to make it. It's good for Christmas parties or just something to take to work just to munch on. It's really addictive now. And all of the ingredients I use, you can always add to them. You can put different types of candy other than M&Ms. You could put Reese's Pieces. I've even seen where you can add Bugles, just anything you want to put in there. But I just use the regular ingredients. But like I said, if you would like to make this, I do have a full video on making this candy. It will be in the description box.
Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share.